Hello there. The cold weather is set to stay with us through the weekend, but of immediate concern, of course, the severe flood warnings from the Environment Agency still standing for eastern coastal areas. The floodline number there for you. The high tides combined with some very strong winds, which are starting to ease away, but a blustery end to the night. And it's not going to prevent a frost. It will make it quite a severe frost. And of course, with the lying, damp and wintry weather, it will be very icy as well. There'll be a few further wintry showers which could wash off some of the salt. These are the towns and cities in the countryside, much lower. And I say quite a severe frost when you add on that wind. Now, there'll still be some wintry showers on Saturday, perhaps fewer in eastern areas, but still a risk for the east coast of England and Scotland. Perhaps a few more coming into Pest and Northern Ireland, Western Scotland, northern and western parts of England and Wales, and still a little wintry over the hills, but the winds won't be as strong, so hopefully it won't feel quite as bitter. We may get between 4 and 7 degrees Celsius, so it's not warm, and you can see there's quite a bit of cloud with those showers across western areas, perhaps few in the east, but they do come on shore. They could be big ones, hail and thunder and wintry as well over the hills. You can see there'll be some sunshine, of course, in between all those showers, but it's still bitterly cold across some parts of Scotland. Temperatures below freezing in some of the Northern Ireland areas. Now, as we go through the evening and overnight, again, the frost returns very quickly through the evening, and then it starts a change. We're starting to see the weather get slightly less cold from the west, but there's still that risk of some snow as that weather system comes in. So potentially another very wintry night, Saturday night into Sunday, and very icy as well, because that rain could fall onto frozen surfaces. So we could have some freezing rain or very icy conditions. And the change is happening because we've got something milder trying to come in off the Atlantic, but it's also that cold air will always be hanging around in eastern areas, so this could still be a wintry mix on Sunday, some freezing rain as well, slightly less cold further west, but it will feel pretty raw and quite grey for many. So it's a day of change Sunday, and if you do have plans because of that uncertainty, please do stay tuned to the forecast because it could remain pretty wintry across the eastern areas. But early next week, it does look as if it will try to remain milder in the northwest of the UK. But on that split, that cold air is never going to be too far away from the southeast, where it'll stay quite chilly. The warnings, they're on the website.